Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send BUSD from XMO to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move your assets quickly and securely between exchanges. BUSD is a stablecoin that's widely used, and transferring it from XMO to Binance can help you take advantage of better opportunities on Binance's platform. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This step-by-step tutorial will make it easy. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both XMO and Binance and that you have some BUSD in your XMO wallet. Always double-check that you're using the correct network, like BEP20 for Binance, to avoid any headaches. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Balances, section. Find your BUSD balance there. It should be listed under your assets. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw option next to BUSD. This will open up a withdrawal form. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, you'll need to select the network. For Binance, choose BEP20 to ensure compatibility. Then, enter your Binance wallet address. To get this, log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, select BUSD, and copy the deposit address. Paste that into the XMO withdrawal form, and don't forget to enter the amount you want to send. Remember, there might be a small network fee, so check that first to avoid surprises. Step 3. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit the confirm button and complete any two-factor authentication if required. You'll get a confirmation message, and the transfer should process in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, hop over to your Binance account and check your BUSD balance. It should show up shortly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your BUSD. Always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling 2FA on both platforms. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.